Welcome on the channel. What's today? Next compressor. Yeah. So just short test of, I think, cheapest silent compressor, 50-liter compressor in UK, bought on eBay. As you see, is quite well packed with such a cardboard. Some styrofoam. And piece of plywood. What we have inside? Of course, 50 liters is usually not enough to using for many things, but it's more than enough for small things. It's not more than enough, but to tell the truth, it's just the size proper to the small workshop. And let's take a look how it works. To tell the truth, it works a bit louder than I expect, but it's still quite silent. Such or similar compressors are sold under many different brands, from brand companies like Hyundai till not branding or strange branding, and prices are vary from like this cheap unit, bit less than 200, up to somewhere 300 with something. Where's the difference? I don't know where is the difference. All based on such a compressor unit is a one or two. From what I know, the one compressor unit should be something around 750 watts. To tell the truth, the strange marking on this compressor is suggest, so this is 75 unit, even like a KWU 750 50. But from what I know, one of such a unit have to be 750. Let's check it by clamp meter. We have something like a 6.4 amp, so 6.4 times 240, yes, I have 240 watts. So right now we have 1.5 kilowatt, 1500 watts. So means, I don't know how come, but this specification concern one of this compressor unit. We have two, so we have 1500 watt together, so it's around 2 horsepower. Not much, but enough, and is same like in all these compressors. It states so it's 76 decibels, and what I suppose is a bit quieter. I have no sound meter, but compare to other units which are claimed, they selling such a compressors under many different brands, and they claim different specification. But from what I know, like I said, these units have around 750 watts, maybe 800, some of them, or some of them a bit less, depend on who made them, but it should be generally same. Of course we can talk about quality, but quality and how long lasted this compressor is a different story, and it takes some time, but I think for home workshop is good. After a few days of testing, not much testing, but at least I try to use it, I'm happy with this purchase. Like I wrote earlier in description, I compare the noise with other compressors, my neighbor compressor, same size, 2 units, just let's say better brand, and is same noise, so it means it's quite silent. For me is standard Hoover it means vacuum cleaner is noisier than such a compressor. Of course, like I said, it's not for sanding, blasting, powerful air tools, anything which consume huge quantity of compressed air. First of all, because compressor itself is too weak, so only 2 horsepower, and of course tank is not also enough big to accumulate enough power but we can use it for just blowers, tuckers. I think I will try to find a few tools which we can use with such a 50-liter compressor. So thanks for watching. If you wanna see more videos on the channel with tools review, cheap tools, I am specialized in cheap tools buying, just leave a comment and please subscribe to the channel.